guys, welcome back. Today I'm really excited because we're gonna do some remodeling. I'm helping our friend to remove all this and make new stairs with a little bit of a deck there. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I was able to demo the whole thing. As you can see, this is hella slow. And the way that they had it was they had a few boxes there, and instead of having stairs, it was more like boxes. So I'm just gonna recreate the same thing that they had, but I'm still gonna put some railings here. It does look like the railings that they had over there had cement. So I'm gonna do the same style and have 3 railings. So when they come out of this area, they have a place to hold their hands.
Okay, so since this is super uneven, and the plan is to create a similar version of what this had before. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna have some cement on this. I'm just gonna make sure that it's even, and then I'm gonna put all 4 pieces that I want to have. Actually 6 pieces right over there. It's kind of hot today. The cement might set really fast, but it's okay. I'm gonna make sure that I have plenty of water. Then after that, I am just going to cover this area there, and I'm gonna make a whole box, and then I'm gonna make the stairs around this. So everything is gonna be under the concrete pad. Before we keep going, hit that like button and consider subscribing. It helps support the channel and lets me keep making content like this. Okay, so day 2, I had to put these pieces in cement to make sure that this was stable. I measure it to make sure that it's not super uneven. So this is gonna be more stabilized right here because I want to make sure that this is even with this area right over there, and I'm gonna go all the way here because this is gonna be like a small entryway, and then I can start doing the steps right over there. So let's get started on that. Right, so I got this all secure right over here, and also I got it level as well. As you can see, it's all level. It's level the whole area here and here as well. So now I'm just need to put a few braces here so I can secure the board that is gonna go over there. I'm gonna do the same thing until I go all the way down here. So I cut this piece right over here and put it there. As you can see, I did the corners and the edges. I'm gonna fill that up with some wood putty when I'm done, when everything is said and done. But as you can see, I also add a few braces there for support, and I'm going to screw this wood piece over here, and then I'm gonna keep adding more. This is showing you some progress now. So now that we got this attached here, this I just need to grab this piece right over here and do a cut to make sure that here it's all even. I'm gonna have to trim it down there so it can be flush. So I just put a brace down at the bottom. I also put some braces right over here, right here. I'm gonna make sure that this is fully attached and secure. And then I'm just gonna fasten this part right here, and this is coming along well. Also, I am going to put a piece back here for support as well, and I'm gonna do the same in the other side right over here. Okay, so a little bit of an update. I was not satisfied with not having braces down there, and I decided to take this part off and hook this here so it can be sturdy as it is now, so I can put the plank there. The last thing I want to do is to have a job and then like not being satisfied at the end of it, or having it squeaky. I mean, like that is gonna give a lot of extra support, and I'm gonna make sure that it's not squeaking or anything that I'm not satisfied with. I have put so much time and effort on this thing that I want to make sure that it looks nice and it feels nice. So I did the same thing in the bottom one too as well, just to add that extra support. Now I just need to have the last step, and we should be good. Then we can move on with the rails. Okay, so the stairs are all done. I just need to put some work on the railings, and that's next to finish the project. I'm really excited for this.
Okay guys, so this is your chance to roast me. This is my first time making stairs. Let me tell you, this was harder than I thought it was gonna be, but at least the stairs are even, they're sturdy, and I like them. So you can roast me all you want, but I got the job done. Also, if you have any tips to help me out, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. And I'll see you next time.